Good morning to you all. So it's currently 6:23 a.m. and I think I'm up early. I'm heading towards the train station because today I'm gonna be going to Casablanca to purchase a new camera. Well, I'm at the train station and it's currently 6:42. The train will leave exactly at 7 a.m. I think I'm at the schedule. So I've arrived to Casablanca and now I'm gonna head to a coffee shop. I'll get a coffee and wait for the guy to arrive. This is the fastest train in Africa. It's a French-built model, but it is the fastest train in Africa. It travels at a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour, which is pretty cool. This is the train station. It looks like a mall. You have multiple shops. There is Starbucks, McDonald's. It really looks like a mall. You can buy clothes here, food, whatever you need. You can buy your ticket from over here, but most people do buy them online. Look at this beautiful statue. It has the African continent right in the middle, and I think it has some African countries also. Not really sure. Cannot really read it because it's reversed. That's the old train station, and that's the new one behind me. Well, this city has a very good tram system. It's very efficient, but it's really foggy outside today. Really foggy. I think I'm gonna have breakfast at this place. I'll let you know how it is. decent view. So let's take a look at the menu. So I got myself a full breakfast with $3.50, which is 35 Moroccan dirhams. Compared to the rest of the world, is very affordable. So this is the breakfast I ordered. So we have here tea, and those here are types of breads. We call this cinnamon and we call this harsha. There's some cheese and a juice. That's about it. So I completely destroyed it, and now I think I'm gonna pay for it. So this is 100 Moroccan dirhams, which is equivalent to 10 US dollars. So I got the camera from the dude. I bought it for 400 US dollars. It's a Canon M50 Mark II. It's in a brand new condition. I'll show you guys how it looks once I get home. Now I will go back to the train station. For that I need to buy a tram ticket. I did buy it from here, and it did cost me 8 Moroccan dirhams, which is equivalent to 0.8 US dollars, which is less than $1. Now I'm gonna wait for the tram to arrive, and I will head to the train station. That's my ride over there. I have an e-ticket. Back on this amazing bullet train, it will take me 500 kilometers north to Tangier in 2 hours and 10 minutes with a top speed of 310 kilometers per hour. Amazing, isn't it? Railway number 6, which is this one. On this train you get to charge your phone. How cool is that?
et à ne rien oublier à bord. L'ONCF vous remercie d'avoir choisi Alvorac pour votre voyage et souhaite vous y accueillir à nos...
This is the center of the city, the center of Tangier, Morocco, and this is the Hilton Hotel. It's located in the center of the city. I don't know why engineers and architects who built this building haven't thought about it, but when the sun is blazing hot and it's facing the building, the glass on the front of the building acts like a mirror and it concentrates the sunlight, and it becomes really hot, and it can do you some damage. You can see how people react when they walk by it. Try to cross it, but I'm gonna close my eyes because it will blind the... Oh my god. Oh, it's burning. It really burns your skin, dude. Well, right behind the hotel we have the mall. Alright, so I'm gonna walk 1.5 kilometers shown here on the map to the Syrian mosque because I want to show you guys how it looks from the outside. It's a beautiful monument. It looks amazing. It was built hundreds of years ago and it's worth seeing. Those are fake palm trees. They look like palm trees, but they are signal poles. But that's a nice apartment building. It looks nice from the outside. But it does also from the inside. Now it must be expensive. It says there is a sign that says they're still selling apartments. Well, if you're someone who lives outside Morocco and you're interested in beautiful apartments next to the beach, you can come and check this out. Hot outside, my brain is melting. Alright, so you see that little thing over there? That's the Syrian mosque, or at least the tip of it. Well, it's not that tip, but it's a tip. Oh, alright, so it's a tip. Anyway, you get the joke. Do this little social experiment. Let's see if people will stop. So on this side it's empty, and let's see if anyone here stops. We didn't even slow down. This one also did not slow down. People are assholes. That over there is the Syrian mosque. What a beautiful monument. It's a beautiful building. At night it's even more beautiful when the lights are on and everything. Well, it's called the Syrian mosque because Syrians built it back in I guess a couple hundred years ago. It's beautiful. Alright, so now I'm gonna cross the road and head to the taxi station, and I'll get a ride back home.